Hello everyone and welcome to a video presentation, AI marketing tools. How do we use AI in marketing? This video presentation is done primarily for marketing students and marketing professionals. Whether you are super excited about AI or maybe you have some concerns about its long-term implications, we need to understand AI in marketing. How does it work and how does it help us achieve or even just sustain and defend our unique competitive position? We need to stay competitive. Let's learn about the new tools, how we can be more productive, more unique, and create more value for our customers. So this is a short presentation of various tools. These tools are actually emerging almost on a daily basis. At the end, I will also give you some advice how to keep learning. So, right at the beginning, the very first tool that we all, I guess, got familiar with was ChatGPT. And it has quite a few different applications for marketing. For example, in this particular case, I have asked ChatGPT to assign and brainstorm a name for a new company, new actually backpack product. So the name is Ventura. Basically quite creative, and even ChatGPT has provided four reasons explaining rationale why it chose the name Ventura for the new company name. Obviously it has to do with the adventure and it's quite creative. So anyhow, of course we need to do our due diligence and check if this name is legally available and so on and so on. But this is a good start for the brainstorming, of course. And then I proceeded and asked ChatGPT if it can create a positioning statement for the company. So here's one. Maybe it could be a little bit more specific and short, but also very good start. Positioning statement for a new Ventura backpack company. And even a mission statement. The first one that the system created was a bit too long, so I asked ChatGPT if we can generate a shorter one, right? And then we got quite a powerful statement: empowering adventurers. That's the big why and the purpose, right? In the statement, with functional and stylish backpacks. Again, if nothing else, very good start, which we can maybe then explore further. And tagline for the same business. I asked ChatGPT to create some taglines for this hypothetical business. Didn't really like these first 5. Then I asked ChatGPT if it can create maybe shorter, just with taglines, just with 2 or 3 words. And the second one here, unpack adventure, really caught my eye. It was quite good in my opinion. So anyhow, unpacking adventure, very creative. So that's ChatGPT. Of course, ChatGPT is a good start, but we would like to have more specific tools. Maybe we need to apply those tools, marketing AI tools, more directly in our business. So instead of just using ChatGPT, we can explore many other tools. Most of them use the same foundation, GPT. So basically we have AI marketing tools like for content creation, like Jasper. That's probably the very first one that comes to my mind when we talk about AI tools in marketing. Jasper, great for content creation, great for blog posts, social posts, email, ads, website content, and so on. Even creating images, also creating image descriptions and product descriptions, and various paragraphs, improving the content. Maybe you have a content on your website that you would like to make it more professional, more specific, more aligned with your brand voice, and so on. So you can change your content by using Jasper AI tool. And let's see, what else do we have as possible uses? Applications of a Jasper AI assistant. We can create business names, product names, and so on. So those are some of the applications of Jasper, but we have actually many more AI marketing tools for the purpose of content creation. Quite a few. Hypotenuse, that would be one, which will help us again with product description, but also with Google Ads, Instagram captions, headlines, slogans, Facebook ads, summarizing maybe some copy that we already have, and so on. So that'll be Hypotenuse AI. And we have another tool, WriteSonic, again for content creation. WriteSonic, where we can use some other tools, maybe slightly different, like maybe for the purpose of SEO, Surfer SEO integration, where we want to rank higher on Google, paraphrasing tool, landing pages, creating landing pages and the copy for landing pages, again product descriptions, and so on. So that would be another tool for the purpose of content creation. And there's more. Writer, again, content creation, Instagram posts, writing Instagram posts, but also many other use cases, quite a few on Writer. For example, blog idea, blog writing, section writing, again brand name, business ideas, call to action, let's see, cover letter, right, Google search ads, Facebook ads, emails, interview questions, and then keyword tools like keyword generator, again landing pages and so on, landing page and website copies, profile bio, that's interesting. And we also mentioned again SEO, meta description, meta tags, meta title tags, and so on. So quite a powerful tool. Once again, that was Writer. Another one more, I think, content creation tool, Word Hero, with quite a few different uses. For example, here we even have video descriptions. We have Amazon product descriptions, so some kind of special uses. Let me see, marketing ideas, personal LinkedIn bio, and so on. So I guess there are quite a few for content creation, and it's worth exploring which one might work best for you and your needs and your budget. And then we have another tool. It's content creation, but it's actually for the purpose of marketing and sales copy, mostly Sales Kingpin. Instead of spending hours thinking about what to write and where to start and so on, this tool in only 3 steps can help us create a powerful sales copy. Type of copy, we specify the type of copy we want to write, answer some questions regarding products and service and so on, product name and what it does and so on. After specifying those details, we are pretty much done. Click on create, and the Kingpin software will actually produce the sales copy, sales letter, and so on. And then let's talk about image editing. Again, just like with content, we have quite a few tools for image editing and image creation. One that kind of stands out is Lensa, which helps us with facial retouching, blurring the background, applying filters and special effects, and so on. So that was Lensa. And now, what if you need a new business name? We saw how we can do similar job with ChatGPT, but with Shopify's AI tool, we can also at the same time check if the domain name is available and generate the name for your store, but also for the whole business. Shopify's business name generator. And then once we generate the name for a business, we might need a logo. So here's another tool. It's called Logo AI, logo design, where I just played a little bit with the company name iPower, and I wasn't really 100% happy with the logos, but that's just for the sake of demonstration. I'm sure there actually were quite a few logos offered for this particular company, iPower. So again, if you need a quick help creating a new logo for your maybe even project or brand name or product, that is where Logo AI tool can help. And then, of course, one of the very first image generator tools, DALL-E 2, which just requires some sort of prompt, like here I entered skateboard fun, type any even sentence or a couple of words, and then you generate some images that you can use for the purpose of your website, your maybe online store, and so on. So here's a great tool to use, especially when it comes to products. Then another tool, Imagine, again image generator, which goes maybe a step further in the sense that it offers two nice features. One is product photo visualizer, where it can put your simple, very basic product photo in a special environment with different background and so on. Or with your profile pictures, maybe fine-tune, touch your profile pictures, apply certain filters and so on. Let me try to enlarge this a little bit. So again, those two features, product photo visualizer and profile picture photo booth. So there will be one or two nice applications of this tool called Imagine. And then we have another tool for image generation, that's Midjourney. They are quite popular as well, but they work on a platform called Discord. It's a messaging platform. Once you open a Discord account, then you can specify the imagine prompt, imagine command, where you then after this particular imagine command, you enter certain keywords which describe what kind of image you want the system to create. So that was actually Discord and Midjourney, another way to create images. Now, how about music? So here's one tool that can be used, Boomy, that can be used to generate music. Maybe you need some sort of music. You pick a style, for example, you pick a style, and then maybe you want happy music or you want whatever, and then you customize it. You can, for example, adjust the tempo, adjust the drum density and so on, and bass density and so on and so on, customize your songs. So now let's say that we need to present something, right? So instead of using regular slides, we can use, once again, beautiful AI. First of all, we choose the template, and then adding our own content. Our template changes, there are new images being created, new slides being created. Then we can do the edits on those slides, and finally upload our own name, our own logo, and so on to the presentation. And then at the end, download our presentation and present. So that will be a nice way to enhance our presentations with AI. Another tool, this one is for creating videos, it's called Synthesia. What they really do is you choose your avatar, right? You choose your voice. There are 100 plus languages and accents. Then you choose the template of your video, and finally you upload the text, the copy, and then we have automatically generated video with an avatar reading your text. So that is the idea of Synthesia video generator. And here's another tool that you might want to use, NVIDIA Broadcast. What it does, it helps you enhance your video conferencing. For example, as you can see on this image, let me enlarge it a little bit, we have eye contact much better here, right? This is the real one, and this is kind of adjusted so that wherever you watch, actually you can see your eyes are now really zoomed on the camera. So there'll be also a tool that can help you with the background So whether it will blur the background or choose some better background for you, that was NVIDIA Broadcast. That's the software that's free to download. And a few more. Actually, Canva is not one single tool. It's a platform which, as you know, can help you with images, various images and content. And they have at least two AI tools. One is AI image generator, and one would be for the content, your first draft, and so on and so on. So again, another tool, Canva. And at the end, why not creating your own AI tool? This does require a little bit more time and more skill, but you can create your own chat application, or maybe speech to text, or maybe image generation tool, and so on. One of the applications of GPT would be something called Agent GPT as well, where you create an agent and you define certain task, certain goal. Like for example, here I named it marketing research, and I asked Agent GPT to conduct research on new digital marketing tools on a daily basis, right? And then the agent would come up with a plan. In this case, 4 steps. It describes specifically what it will do. I don't have to prompt it. I don't have to give instructions. The system will do the research first, researching new social media platforms and so on, analyze, evaluate, and then implementation and recommendation of the most promising social media platforms for marketing purpose, and so on and so on. So nice plan, and that's what can be done by building your own agent GPT. At the end, you might be wondering, okay, how do I keep learning? Well, of course, lots of information is presented in the news, but also you might want to visit Futurepedia, something like Wikipedia, which has thousands of those new tools emerging almost on a daily basis. So for example, here I chose the social media category, and here it looks like they have quite a few. And then how many? Actually 118 best AI social media assistant tools. And also for the purpose of SEO, I have tried clicking on that category, and I have found 62 AI SEO tools. And also what you can do, you can search just the new tools last day, for example, that were developed or published, and so on and so on. So it can be updated almost on a, I don't know, daily or weekly basis with all the new SEO tools that are emerging. So that was the presentation about AI marketing tools. I hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching.